Hello, this is Mrs. Briner, the teacher librarian at North Glen High School. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Overdrive Sora app to check out and read eBooks. The first thing you need to do is download the Sora app. Next, you need to add your school. You will only need to do this the first time. If you do not see Adams 12 listed, click on My School is Not Listed. Type in Adams 12. When Adams 12 5-star schools appears, click on This is my school. Log in using your Adams 12 sign-on. Please note, for my demo I am using an Android phone. The iPhone app may look slightly different. One of the neat things about the Sora app is if you have a public library card, you can borrow and read public library books in the app also. You do this by clicking on the menu in the top right-hand corner. Then, click on Add a Public Library and follow the directions. Clicking on the bookshelf icon at the bottom of the screen will show books you've already checked out. Clicking on the magnifying glasses will take you to the search screen. You can search for books by title or author using the search bar at the top of your screen. You can also scroll down and search by popular subjects. For this example, let's look at young adult fiction. As you can see, there are 368 results. Customize your search using the Refine menu. Once you find a book you want to read, click on Borrow. Wait for the book to download, click on the book cover, and start reading.